Hello Transurfer and welcome to TransurfingTV. Today, day 43 of the 78 days of Transurfing, visualizing the process. But before I get to that, if you have not yet joined our membership site, it is incredible. On the free tier of the membership site, we have the new interview with Vadim Zeland, which is awesome. It was translated by the lady that translated this book, and it's so good. I asked the questions and he gave the answers, and it is epic. So if you would like to see that interview, transurfing.us/member. We also have 2 paid tiers there. These paid tiers are donations that go directly back into the International Transurfing Institute, our book donation program called Prison Surfing, and TransurfingTV. We have a breakdown of all the concepts of the book in very digestible little bits that are awesome. Vadim Zeland has approved them, and you will gain access to my Mo Money and Becoming Magnetic courses, and they are incredible. There is a ton of content on this site, guys. So if you do have interest in diving deeper into this knowledge or would just like to help us out, transurfing.us/member. So I will get started. Day 43, visualizing the process. Whatever you do, your efficiency will be increased tenfold if rather than just doing it well, you consciously and enthusiastically admire your work, constantly asserting how excellent it is. This is extremely valuable. The principle here is this: I do a wonderful job. Today, I am doing everything better than I did yesterday, and tomorrow, I will do it even better than today. When you keep your goal slide in your mind, all your external circumstances will work towards achieving the goal, even if that does not appear to be the case. If you visualize the process as well, the layer of your personal world will rush towards your dream at lightning speed. Oh my God, you guys, this is happening to me right now. I'm a walking testimony of this. Vadim Zeland's interpretation. Let's say, for example, that you are working on some kind of project, creating something. While you are working and afterwards, when you have finished for the day, imagine the object of your creativity is becoming ever more perfect. Perhaps today you added a few more details and tomorrow you will add several new touches. Imagine your creation becoming gradually transformed. You are constantly adding new elements to it, watching it transform into a masterpiece before your very eyes. You are happy, enthralled by the creative process. Your brainchild grows with you. It is not just about contemplating your piece. You have to imagine the process of its birth and growth towards perfection. Create and marvel at the same time. Do not be shy to call yourself a genius. Affirm the thought form and ideas that are ever more brilliant will come to you. The same thing applies when you are working on your body. Nurture it as a mother nurtures her child. Imagine that your body is gradually acquiring perfect form. Look after it, train it, and imagine your muscles developing here and there, becoming more toned. You will be surprised to find how efficiently the perfection affirmation is realized. Okay, you guys, so I am doing this right now. I started Transurfing TV, ITI, all these different transurfing projects with very, very little to go on. I didn't know what the hell I was doing, but as I started working, I would imagine that everything I was doing was perfect. And in that feeling of embodying my perfect work, my perfect way of working, my perfect way of creating, whatever it was that I did or what mode I went into, even if I was challenged, even if I was struggling, even if I was messing up, I still thought, okay, I'm doing it better than I did it yesterday, and tomorrow I'm going to do it better than I'm doing it today. And sure enough, day after day following this, I am getting better and better and better and better. And I started this not knowing how to do any of this. It is an absolute miracle, and I am attributing my success now exactly to this lesson today, and it has been amazing. So, are you scrutinizing your work or yourself? Are you lavishing yourself with thoughts of being a genius or being perfect in whatever it is you are doing, or feeling as though you are creating a masterpiece? And how can you switch over to this mode of thinking to really propel yourself into a creative place where you feel as though you are absolutely, hands down, without a doubt, mastering something and becoming a master of what it is you are doing? I am almost 100% certain that is how Vadim Zeland came up with this book. I am 100% sure for myself that this is how I am doing what I am doing now. I am following this stuff. I am nurturing my creativity. I am really getting into all the little things that I can do, knowing that I will get better over time. Things are better than they were yesterday. Tomorrow is going to be even better, and I just keep upping the ante, and it is incredible. So how can you apply this one to your endeavors today? So remember to like this video if you do in fact like it, and comment below "I love Reality Transurfing" to enter my giveaway to win my awesome stickers. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Bye.